everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make for you a banana pudding dip. This is an awesome recipe if you like banana pudding. My husband's a huge fan of banana pudding and I'm going to make this for him this evening because he really enjoys it. We actually got this recipe from one of his co-workers and we've loved it ever since. So let me go ahead and tell you what all is in this. First off, you're going to have one box of 3.4 ounces of banana pudding mix, one box of 3.4 ounces of vanilla pudding mix. You're going to have 3 cups of half and half, and you're going to do the 8 ounce of cream cheese softened. You want to do 4 medium bananas cubed, and then you're going to do 3 cups of mini marshmallows, and then you're going to do 8 ounces of whipped topping. You want to make sure that that's thawed out. And then you're going to take a half a cup of roughly crushed vanilla wafers and a half a teaspoon of vanilla. So next up, we're going to show you how we mix all this up. All right, everyone, you can see I've already got our pudding mixes in our bowl, and we're going to use a hand mixer to mix all these ingredients. And we're going to add in our 3 cups of half and half. And then we're going to add in our vanilla. And then we're going to mix this together with our hand mixer. Go ahead and do that. Now we're going to add in our softened cream cheese, and we're going to mix that. Now the rest of the ingredients we're going to put in by hand. All right, let's see. Let's go ahead and put in our marshmallows. And that was 3 cups of those. And our 4 bananas cubed. And then you're going to put in 2/3 of your whipped topping, and then we're also going to put in all but about a tablespoon of the roughly crushed vanilla wafers. We're going to save the rest for the top. All right, we're going to get all this mixed in. This is a good dessert because you can make it ahead of time, and you want to put it in your refrigerator for about 2 to 4 hours before you serve it. So this is something that if you want to make in the afternoon, if you're going to have it for dessert, it'll be ready after you have your supper. All right. And then next what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put this in our dish, and we're going to do our topping. And we'll show you how all that looks once we get it all together. All right, everyone, we're going to finish this pudding dip up, and we're going to finish it with the rest of our Cool Whip. You just want to put it on the top, and then we're going to put some crushed vanilla wafers on top. And I'll have all the ingredients in the description under the video so you can have this recipe. It's delicious. And then once we get all this done, you're going to want to put a lid on it and put it in the refrigerator for 2 to 4 hours before you serve it. All right, let's go ahead and put in our wafers. And this will be a great recipe for you to try at home. I hope you really enjoy this. I hope your family enjoys this. I hope that you'll subscribe to my channel, and I hope that y'all have a great day. And thank you so much for watching.